Hello makers, I'm back with another cool agent, and this is the same agent which I have showed you in the previous video, but it does something incredibly different. So let it run it once and let's see what it can do. Let me just send a simple message that what it can do for me and paste it and enter it. You can see that the scenario is running. You can see that we are making some requests and we are done, right? So I sent a Slack message and I got a response. So here is the response from the agent.
I can help manage tasks like viewing, creating, and updating calendar events.
So sounds good, right? And let me tell you that I haven't used any paid tool. I just did without using, a single dollar. What is basically it's doing is the same channel, and this is basically looking for a new message, basically a webhook, right? And then we react on the message like this one. Let me go, and here you can see that reaction on the message. So this is basically for that, just to make it a bit cool, right? And then we have the make agent, and then we get means any response like this. I can help manage task events and viewing rest of things. So what I basically do is I replace all the spaces with the plus sign. Why I'm doing this? Because to make it URL friendly, right? And then I feed this text. Let me show you in here. I feed this text from a text parser, which is in a form of, means instead of using the spaces, there is plus signs like this. So I just feed this data into this HTTP request, and this is what basically doing is using this Python script which I have written in Replit, so that it convert the text from a agent into a speech, and then I got a file like this. Let me show you. Like this, it's in a binary form, but it's audio form. So I just upload this form, right? So let me show you how I upload. So the file name is audio response like this, audio response mp3, and then we have the data, which data, that binary data from the HTTP request module, and then I just send the message as well. So it basically looks like this. We have the message and the audio response along with this cool reaction.